Do you ever feel an unsettling presence when you're alone in your room at night? Maybe it's just the creaking floorboards or the wind outside. But what if there's something more? The brain is wired to sense threats, even the smallest changes in our environment. Did you know humans have the ability to detect another person's presence by smell alone? It's more instinctual than you realize. Studies show we can even hear silence in a room previously filled with noise. Our senses are heightened at night when we least expect it. So when you hear that breath, are you really alone? Next time you feel unease, trust your instincts. Sometimes, our fears are more rational than they seem.